2015 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, automatic stability control, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.